I'm Ian Gibney from Boeing Defence Australia, and I'm the Helicopter Aircrew Training Systems Programme Manager based here in Nowra. Our team here in Nowra, we support both Army and Navy helicopter aircrew training. Boeing supports the entire gambit of that, so that includes everything from instructors through to maintenance, engineering, supply to enable the system to work. Boeing supported the acquisition process through providing a bit of SME advice and a bit of engineering expertise around how these aircraft could be used for Army. And here we're actually rebuilding the aircraft today. As you can see here, they come in bits and they're crated up from the delivery from the UK. We moved them into our new hangar, we unboxed them, we need to put on the tail booms and the landing skids are the two main components. And then a various number of functional preservation checks that need to be performed actually to get these aircraft up and running. These aircraft are going to be based up in Oakey and used for Army Aviation support up there, so it's a fantastic feeling actually. Now being rebuilt here behind me is fantastic. So once in a lifetime opportunity. It's not very often you actually get to bring a new platform or variant into service, so it's a really exciting time for us.